Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to view applied jobs in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. So basically we have the community where you can go and check out everything that other people have posted. Just a moment, the website is not working for some odd reason, but there you can go and put everything, see that everything that people have posted, as you can see. And you have the on the left side, you have this plus button where you can go and see and put your posts. We have jobs where, as you can see, you can find your perfect job. We have the location and the job where you can then need just to click search to find a job. We have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. This is a new feature. Have an employer in mind, you can search for a company here, and that's all. And we have the salaries, so where you can see are you paid fairly, so you can find out. So here you can put your job title and the location and click on the search to search for salaries similar to yours. Also, now let's see how to view applied jobs in Glassdoor. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. You need to sign in to Glassdoor, then click on jobs in the toolbar found directly under the search bar. Click on your activity tab and then click on applications. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.